Okay, here we are on site doing a shower repair. It's actually a Sluter shower. We're not sure how the walls are built, but the drain is definitely a Sluter drain. We're gonna attempt to leave this second row intact, rip this bottom row out because they got this curb real low. It's only 2.5 inches off the floor, so clients wants us to have another low curb, so we're gonna keep it approximately that height. But as you can see, all these grout joints are cracked. And listen to what's going on here. This whole subfloor is squeaking. Hear that? Everything's moving here. That's bad. Everything's moving, so we're gonna pop this out, see how it goes, and go from there. We got the shower ripped out. They even thin set the pan down. I mean, look, there's almost no thin set there. Use a Curdy trowel on the base. They got a hole in the subfloor here, so I have to cut out this section, replace it. They had the flange really cocked, really bad over there. They had screws sticking up, so that went through the pan, might have punctured the membrane. Between that and the curb, that should have problems for the weeks. So we'll continue on here. Here's another reason why the shower failed. You can see that they put about 5/8 to 3/4 in the rest of the bathroom. But your subfloor here in these older houses in the 70s, they're only 1/2 inch plywood. So I'm going to tear out this section, replace it, and we're going to put 3/4 over this whole section and be rock solid when we're done. That's how it needs to be done. Stay tuned. Part 2 will be rebuilding of the shower base.